Hello Virgos, welcome back to my place as Seychelle Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from India. Bharat, Namaste. Alright, so let's start with the reading, and if the calling is to give the date or month, then I'm going to, otherwise these are timeless readings, okay? Follow on Instagram as SHELLS as Seychelles Running. How have you been? Message that is coming for you is that there is ball of fire, and that's going to be rolled towards you. 2 to 3 things. A ball of fire, which may be something that you're right now playing with, playing in the way that something that you're passionate about, something that is an idea in your life, or some startup that you are very much passionate and curious about. There is excitement in your life that I see, and it's going to unfold in the coming months as well. Whenever you listen, whenever the calling is, that's exactly when this is going to unfold or unleash in your life, okay? The ball of fire is also saying there may be a fire sign in your life that you might be dealing right now, maybe on and off, but I see most probably it is like you are in contact with this person and you do talk. I see that this may be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius again, but apart from that, I also see like something is little shiver between you both. Or maybe as in, regardless of having a ball of fire, this is something connected with that there is wind blowing, like it's cold, it's shiver, okay? Regardless of weather or climate we are talking about, I see here that something Virgos might be going through, which may be a little bit of wind that is there, and it's very cold, and even little comes when in winters and you are standing near door or window and there is a crease, and then little air that does come, but it's cold. You're going to feel like, regardless you're wearing some stuff. There may be something cold between you and this fire sign possible, or between your situation, okay? Or maybe regardless of the sign, then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, there may be something cold or some issue here that I see between you and the person, or between you and, regardless of the sign, the person. Remember, you can always see the natal chart where the placements are, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, if you don't want to go with that. And if you only believe in the messages, because messages of importance, if it pertains with you, then you may go with that. But what I'm seeing here is a little bit of wind, cold weather, or cold ambience between you and the person, and the ball is rolling between you, like both, like this. And what I see exactly was something was going from here to here, but now it's like in the center, which is not exactly reaching here, not exactly reaching there, which is in the mid, like a to and fro. Or let's just say, hang in there, the pendulum is here. It's going here, here, just like this, okay? It's going here, here, not going here and here. So this means that what the push was from either side, it's not being reciprocated that well from the other side. And Virgos, you might be working on this ball of fire, which may be again connected with some curiosity, connected with your work, with your passion. This is what you really want, and you've been doing some hard work and you've polished yourself, and that's why I can see fire around that. For some cases, if this is something cold, I feel the cold wind that is a little bit coming, and you can actually experience that and feel that very strong, is maybe the person who is cold towards you or is cheating on the basis that something is a cover-up. Someone who is lying to you right now, okay? Someone. For some cases, this ball of fire is like you have priority here, you have decided something, but it is again that you are holding ball of fire. So ball of fire that you are holding is that you can't hold with bare hands, so you are preparing yourself from something. There's going to be turn in your life, and most probably it is going to be in your favor, which is Wheel of Fortune. You have to turn. Again, if you see this close, this wheel is kind of ball, which on it written tarot, T-A-R-O-T. But in the mid, I feel like there are signs that you are figuring out. There may be a very, this is something that you are being attracted towards the most. This is something that you're holding and you're traveling kind of energy. There may be heavy Capricorn, there may be Leo, Taurus, Scorpio, Aquarius possible. And the sign I gave you, definitely Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. There is some fixation that you really want to let go. and that may be connected with that ball of fire. Again, something is going to happen in your favor, okay? And the favor is all about, that's going to turn. So Wheel of Fortune gonna turn, but you are overcoming some lie, cheat, and you're going to figure out something about if this is about particular energy, okay? Someone over here is hiding something. We're going to figure out what is the overall energy here. Many of you are trying hard to be free from certain situation here. So your ball of fire is about stability and security. This is also about 10 of Pentacles, which is again an upcoming fortunate event. That's what I said, Wheel of Fortune will turn in your favor. I see this is new place. New place for you, new home possible you're buying. You're investing in something in the long time. This is also something that you're heading towards. This is about to make big money or something like that. I see like in your future there's going to be opportunity coming your way, which may be connected with some possible project, work related thing, because you have Queen of Pentacles. You have big project coming in your hand. No matter where you are, but I feel if you work for a company, you're going to do that. You're going to go, I'm sorry, I can't edit it. I apologize. Words, you know, it's going to be hard to handle something. Hard because it's going to be full of passion. So let's get back again. You're going to get something big here. This is also about for, okay, I'm hearing continuation. Some of you are holding a fireball which is connected with your current relationship here. This may be that you're married or in long term or however your situation is right now. This is what you're going to continue with. Trusting something for a while because you can't alone handle that ball of fire. It's also something influential talk with someone in position. Continuation. For some, this is continuation of some kind of friendship or emotion. This may be with the Piscean here, the moon phase. Something that you're figuring out. Okay, also, if you take it very slow, that ball of fire may be connected with anyone over here you're dealing. This is about to know what is going on with them and why they are lying. And I heard the word, why the hell they are lying and for what they're lying. So your energy overall in this time frame is to stabilize and to achieve something big, and in order to do that you are going to make or take big decisions, most probably in the months of like January, when there's cold, when the weather is extreme. Okay, let's put that, when the weather is going to be extreme, you're going to take or make big decisions here. I'm also seeing here, that's what I said, that you're meeting someone who is influential, means powerful. In some or the other way, they have upper hand, maybe authority, boss, someone you are going to meet. They are going to ease out your situation in this time frame. Whatever that is, like it's about completion, okay? So they are going to help you complete something. This may be something connected with your work or kind of like documents, signatures, finalizations. I see finalizations, a lot of finalizations in extreme season of winter, okay? Some of you are going to continue, which may be again Two of Cups energy of reunion here. So maybe you're going to continue being with someone here for a while. There is delay of some sort, but this person is along with you, like they are always beside you, okay? For some, this is going to be the one who is lying to you will again reciprocate in the coming time. And there's going to be pickup energy in your life specifically, or certain situation will have a pickup, which may be going slow. But remember, when it is slow, it means that nothing bad is happening, which means sometimes no message is also message. So if this is something, maybe there's no message happening situation. But with the Two of Cups energy, this is something that you are hopeful about to pick up again, okay? We're going to see. I'm also seeing window is opening for you. So window, when opening, you may feel a little bit of and your ball of fire may little bit cool down so that you can hold it. Okay, fine. So you're going to be in the situation where you'll be able to hold that ball of fire again in a convenient way, and the reason is that you're going to open, or the window will get opened up, which may be opportunity, which may be again when you're opening the window or it is opening up for you. That's a different thing. Not the door is opening, it's window opening. So window is like being opened, okay, it's getting opened up, and from there wind is coming, and that's what I talked about. And a little bit of wind when comes, there may be someone who is air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius may help you out in some situation. Okay, I'm stuck on this card. I have to have more cards. Okay, I have to have more cards. Okay, fine. Look at this. So you are going to have ease out of situation, at least that's what I see. This is also about that they're going to end up talking to you. The Emperor, there may be an Aries in particular, but I also see kind of, this is about you handling a lot of stuff and giving life to something that you've been crazy about or having curiosity about or been working on something. That's ball of fire. With the Emperor zone, if there's this person, you're settling with them, you are with them, you're going to work on with this. But this is also someone who is having power, authority, someone who can handle stuff, someone who can multitask, someone who you can talk to. I see you are talking to someone here regarding something, and you're going to actually get that help, guidance, mentor, someone who is going to be very, very visible to you. Okay, they're going to be, I'm hearing, available. Okay, so this is about right opportunity or right help that you're going to get. This is also you're getting affection or again help from people around you. Okay, there are very I'm hearing long list of something that you really need to do, also long list of something that you're going to do in continuation, stuff that you are noting, like to-do list and all that stuff. Okay, let's see the card. Okay, before you proceed, prepare yourself. Okay, that's kind of energy that you're about to step outside. Some of you are starting over, like stepping outside of comfort zone. If this is the case of work energy, okay, Four of Swords energy. So you're preparing yourself, retreating yourself, and trying not to be vulnerable in the situation. I don't know why this is happening, but you are maybe experiencing or experience something here at work or with people around you. There is a crowd here, I see. Also, this is something new, okay? With Four of Swords energy, if this is work, I told you. If this is love matter, again, someone is on either hold, taking a little bit step back kind of energy. If this is something that has to do with you, then you are recuperating. You are having guards up for some reason. In the meantime, you're going to do this stuff, like you're keeping your ball of fire with yourself in order to calm your energies down. Maybe there is something that is giving you agitation, maybe you're angry, maybe because of someone's behavior here. Look, there is again, while I shuffled, there was Seven of Swords. Again, it's Seven of Swords. Someone who is lying to you, or maybe not exactly telling you the truth, means lying. Okay, so a lie can be a lot of stuff. Someone who is keeping something close, not releasing exactly. Okay, and you've been trying hard that they should. Then again, what I see for you is Four of Swords energy. You're preparing, you're healing, and if you're not doing it, you're going to do it, because by self you're going to go in this zone for a while. Break with the person in order to balance. That was 14:14 recording time. After the pause, you're going to hear from this person. Okay, so this may be Ace of Cups. This ball of fire is love between you both, passion between you both. This love can be for work even, because I see that. Maybe an Aries is in love with you, and the signs I gave you. There's also water sign because of the Piscean moon, and also water, Ace of Cups, so Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean. Okay, Virgos, you're thinking about some offer in this time frame, or you're thinking about where this ball of fire is going exactly. because your guards are up, kind of like push and pull is here. Maybe messages are on and off, or maybe messages are not being reciprocated that much, and that's why you're going to open that window to cool down yourself first. That's what, calm yourself, because I see temperature is really high. Temperature is high regardless of weather. Let's see in the future what is coming. In the future, you have a travel. You have travel, I'm sorry. You have travel regarding love related thing or something that you love. Okay. 8 of Wands energy, you're going to talk with someone you have doubt on, or someone who is going to clear you out all the doubts. 8 of Wands is also about some plans that you have up in the air, and this is going to be ready to boom and go and land somewhere. I see a lot of talk happening, movement, and this is also for some of you unorganized talk coming, or unorganized, like you're not totally putting the stuff in order, but exactly you have to take something here, which means quick, and then you're going to go somewhere. I see going somewhere. For some this is flight, for some this is going to be flight. Okay, and you have doubts, but you're not giving up. You have doubts about something. Let's see where this 8 of Wands is taking you. Can you tell us? This 8 of Wands is taking you to the chance, that judgment, like this is the time. You may end up having or receiving call from some side, but this was the flip. There is change in the situation. There's going to be the Tower, change of place, change of job, leaving some job, confirmation regarding that, meeting that might be happening, but I see everything is going to be positive. The 6 of Pentacles energy, you are heading towards something. Where you are heading, what you are doing, what talks will be about. You're going to be getting generosity in some or the other way. This may be help around. Okay. Equality, something that you're going to receive at the right time. Whatever you need. Okay, that's what I see. But with the Tower, you are letting this fall. Something old or something recent that you've been working hard on, to let it actually fall. This is the change that you've been seeking. This is ball of fire, finally crumbling down kind of energy. Also in future, you're going to have equal talk with someone. That's what I feel. You're going to be free. Don't worry if you're stuck. If you're feeling that what's gonna happen, don't worry, that ball of fire won't be that hot, because you're opening the window, or window is getting opened up, which may be again opportunity or idea or chance or help that you're going to get. With the Tower, unexpected move, unexpected things will be happening. Also, I see, for me, and the Star is an illegal building, so that is something that you've been in for a very long time. Idea, relationship, or organization or work area, you're going to start. There's a restart button. I see there's this something red button. I see for some of you, you're going to stop, like pushing it. Okay, and then there's going to be restart of something. Take care, guys, and let's see for one card from romance. Okay, there is separation on horizon for some of you. What kind of separation? It depends. Time apart from your partner is on the horizon, maybe because you're traveling for work or they are traveling for work. However this fits you, separation is definitely happening. Some of you who are connected with someone and you feel like there's no to and fro, that is what something need to be, like calm energy. So you people need calm energy to talk again. Let's see in the love matter romance. Souls and spirits, please guide us. For Virgos, please tell us. For Virgos, please. Okay, there are so many I can't take. Please give us one card. Can you give us one card? Can you give us? Yes, they can give us one card. So in this time frame, I feel you've been praying for, you've been hoping for, you've been keeping that thing in your mind about staying optimistic about your love life, if this is about romance. Okay, positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. Now for some of you, you are just keeping positivity regarding certain situation of your work, because you also have finances and career. Some of you have that kind of thing in your mind right now. Worth waiting for. You've been working hard on something. You're here choosing. Worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work in your love life. So you've been waiting for someone to open up again. Possible. If that's the thing, they are going to. And this is also securing yourself, protecting yourself, like this, okay, for the right one. So there was some sound. Stay optimistic, okay? Take care. Bye. See you soon.